Yo, not having a fucking belt like fucking kills me. Oh, there go babe. What the fuck is going on with the fucking dinosaur, bro? Look, it's babe. What's up, food?
What's that? Is your friend here?
Huh?
Is your friend here? Cat?
Yeah, I don't know where the hell she is. I just lost her. What's up? Hey, you stay away. Yeah, as long as you stay over there, I'm fine. V-Tech! V-Tech.
I struggled to.
Huh?
I wouldn't came.
How to do with the dinosaur?
Yeah, I told him to keep the fuck away from me. Cause that shit is creepy. Stay over there! I got a knife. This shit is fucking... This shit is... Do niggas have eyes? Here we go. Yeah, I love you too. Babe! V-Tech! V-Tech! Gang, gang! Why you always talking shit? This motherfucker! Hey! I got a knife! I'll do it! Ah! Ah! Oh shit! Fucker! I should have pulled his tail. Yo, don't hit me at the Imperial ones. Hit me at the Imperial ones, right? I'm gonna do close. Oh. Close.
Boys. AB on the track, yeah.
What the fuck? Hey, the Mustang's like, what the fuck is going on?
AB on the track, yeah.
It's okay, I reloaded. Bye! Bye!
So much pain up on my body, got my mind aching. Steady racing, steady pacing, I can't be complacent. Focus on my breathing, candles lit in meditation. Success is what I'm chasing, learn the voice of being patient. Always do your best, but don't you look for confirmation, cause they will put you down before you reach a destination. Before you take off and run away with aviation, keep your goals to yourself, nigga, translation. Master all your talents and always give it your very best. Always know your worth, but don't you settle for nothing less. Take a deep breath for all the times you feeling stressed, and keep in mind, nigga, diamonds made when they pressed. I was feeling so down, lonely and depressed. I picked my head up and kept smiling on this quest. A lesson's not a lesson unless you lessen all that stress. A blessing is a blessing.